Hi, my name is Jacob Hodel. I'm a commission engineer with Dynamic Ratings, and today I will show you how to replace a battery in a DTM. To replace a battery in a DTM, you will need a static strap. This goes on your wrist and it attaches to the casing of the DTM. It will keep it the same potential so you don't cause any static discharges on the modules inside. If you don't have one of these, just try and stay in contact with the side of the DTM and it'll achieve the same purpose. You will need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the front of the DTM and a flathead to assist you in removing the faceplate. First, we will attach the static strap to our wrists and attach it to the shell of the DTM and start moving the screws. Once the screws are removed, you can use your flathead screwdriver to kind of help you remove the faceplate, finding like an opening and it'll kind of pop right out. And your battery is right here. And to remove that, you just kind of push this back. It'll pop right out. There you go. And to replace it, just goes right back in. And now we can start reattaching the faceplate to the DTM. First, kind of here. All right. Now with it nice and tight, you can start reapplying the screws. All right, now all your screws are in. You have successfully replaced the battery on your DTM. My name is Jake Hodel, and that is how you replace a battery on a DTM. Please subscribe for more videos.